Hey y'all, and welcome back to Created Workshop. Today I've got a little bit of a different video for you. We're going to be taking a look at a project that I've been wanting to do, which is making my laser workshop sign to go in my office. But I'm also going to be showing you a kind of unique product from today's sponsor, Walabot. And we're going to get more into what the Walabot is later, but just a quick glance, it's a really fancy stud finder. But first, a little bit more on the actual project, which is this sign. The backing is made out of true flat maple. I absolutely love true flat. There's links in the description for it. And then the graphic on here is just painted MDF. The colored portions we painted, my wife and I, actually she painted this portion with some just regular acrylic paint from Michael's. It's like $1 a bottle, and we have plenty of it left over for other projects. This side, I just spray painted black because that was easier to do all of the letters. And then it's all held on with dual type. So that way I didn't have to worry about any glue. I also made a template that made setting everything on there super easy. And really this was a simple project to do, but Walabot's gonna be what we're really gonna talk about here. And now I'm gonna show you a segue portion in a minute or two that's going to show everything that it can do, but why use something like Walabot and why do a video about a Walabot stud finder? I know a lot of you run small businesses, and in those small businesses, you might need to hang something. You might need to hang a sign on a wall like this, or maybe you're working at a store or anywhere where you're going to have to drill into the wall. Standard stud finders are great in that they show you if there's something there, but Walabot tells you what's there. And so we're going to see that in this wall, and you'll see that in the sponsored segment. But now let's go ahead and dive into making the actual project, and then we will keep going from there. So here you can see the P3 cutting the MDF. For this, I'm running at 20 millimeters a second at 65% power, 100% on the air assist, and you can see it cutting through beautifully clean. I absolutely love the way the P3 cuts. This is one of my best lasers that I've ever had for cutting, and the results come out so great. This only took about 5 minutes to cut out all of these pieces, and then I was able to get over to painting them. Some of the logo we hand painted with acrylic paint, and then the rest of it I spray painted here. And then I used some scrap that I had to make a template, so that way I could insert all of the pieces and get the logo to be designed correctly. This logo has a lot of symmetry to it, and so without this template, I definitely would not have been able to get it all set up. With the template, I just peeled off the backing as I used dual tight to make this graphic, and I put the dual tight on before. I don't have a video of that here, but put the dual tight on, then I cut it out, painted it, and now I'm just peeling the backing off the dual tight to stick it to the true flat. And it works phenomenally with that, and I couldn't be happier with the way this logo came out. As you'll see here in a second, it looks absolutely stunning. And now with the logo made, let's jump on over to a little about our sponsor. Walabot is a wall scanner that's basically an upgraded stud finder. Typically a stud finder just tells you, hey, there's something here or there's not something here. Well, Walabot lets you see what's in the wall. You can see my phone here and my hand's behind it, so it's not working perfectly yet, but now that we're on this wall, and I'll show you behind it in a minute, you can see it's showing there's nothing over in this area. If we go to the middle, there is a stud, and it's showing me exactly where I'm in the middle of the stud, or if I'm to the side. There's a little line on the top where you can draw where the stud is, and then you can keep on going. But that's not the only thing that Walabot shows. There you can see it's detected something different. On the phone screen, and I'll bring that phone screen a little bit closer. Once we can get that back. It's on the pipes and stuff, it's a little bit more finicky. But you can see here that says pipe or wire. And so this is more than just telling you, hey, there is a stud in the wall, which we can see right here, and we can see if we come close to the edge, hey, we can see there's a stud over here. But we can also see if there's a pipe or a wire in the wall. Now, let me turn this around here, and I'll show you what the back of this looks like. And you can see that we were seeing the pipe here, and we were seeing the wire and the stud. And so all of this was showing up in the Walabot app. And you don't have to have your phone separate from it either. they have a ring that comes with it right here, and you can magnetize it to your phone. And so my phone is just kind of hanging off of it. Okay, so here we've got the Walabot and my phone that's been paired to it, and we're going to calibrate it. You just kind of start with spinning a big circle on the wall, and it'll tell you as soon as it's calibrated. Now it's calibrated. I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone on it because it has MagSafe support. And wow, we set it right on a stud. So you can see that right here is a stud. Now if we come over by this, we should see a stud and that wire. It's kind of popping up just for a second there, but we can see that wire, and that tells us we don't want to be over in this area. There's a light switch right here. So we're going to want to be in this general area here where we've got this stud and this stud. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, and as you can see, I kind of have some holes already in the wall, if I could figure out how to hold this up. And so I'm going to just go into those holes because this has already been up here. I was wanting to show you how you would figure out where to put it. And so we're going to get all these screws right here. And now we are strong and sturdy, ready to go. Take the sign and hang it. There it is. So you can see how much Walabot can really help when you're doing projects like this. Obviously, this is a small sign. It can hang on just drywall. But if you were hanging a big sign at, say, a client's office space, or even in your office space, if you just moved into a new retail space, using Walabot to be able to see what's in the wall, whether you can see the pipes like you saw in the demo just a few minutes ago, or the studs like I just showed you, it's really a game changer. Instead of just using a traditional stud finder that just says, hey, there's something here, you actually know what's there. So big thank you to Walabot for sponsoring this video, and I hope you guys liked it. I know it's been a while since I've released a video, and I've got a lot more coming in the future. I've spent the last several months working on my latest platform, the Laser Workshop, as you can see the logo right here. If you haven't seen the Laser Workshop yet, there's a link below. It is an online community for laser makers, laser engravers, small business owners, and more, where you can store your own settings, your own files, but most importantly, you can collaborate with the community. You can head over to the community tab and you can see what other people have shared for their settings. You can browse all of my settings there and settings from a lot of different people in the community as they've already shared. And we've got so much more in store for the Laser Workshop. So again, if you haven't checked it out yet, head down to the link below, sign up for a free account, and see if it's something that you would like to be a part of. We're building the community. We just launched about a month ago. I'm really excited to see what the future has in store for it. Thank you again so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, there's a button for that as well. And hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Again, my name is Patrick. This is the Created Workshop. We'll catch you guys in the next one.